Welcome back once again to another video of the series Technical Analysis. Thank you so much for your positive response in the last video. I just made a video on Acro USDT. If you can watch it, you can watch it on my channel. It's the last video I uploaded. So the coin today that we are gonna analyze is Solana. I have already made a video on Solana yesterday and I gave you some signals on this coin. So if you missed the previous video, you should watch this video till the very end so you do not miss any kind of further updates. I will give you more updates on today's video as well, and some deep insights on the on Solana, on its architecture, and today we're gonna look at its website as well. So from the previous video, let me just give you a quick recap. I draw this support live in front of you guys by finding it with the Fibonacci retracement numbers, and also used some other tools like common sense as well to find this support. You can see there was a good liquidity grab at this place. There was a point when Solana went there. There was a quick wick to the upside. There were two wicks actually. So we can say that this whole zone, this whole area, it had a lot of money in that. And to further enhance this evidence, we can see at this place, first they grabbed the liquidity, they went a little back up. However, the sellers, they pushed the price down, and you see this area, there were the orders that were not letting the price below the support level. So let me just erase it for you. So that is on the bigger time frame. What is happening on the shorter time frame? I already told you that there's going to be a pump in Solana soon, very soon. You can expect that. So what do we have here? Okay, so I told you about this pattern that was forming in Solana. That was a head and shoulder pattern. You see that this pattern broke out exactly as I predicted yesterday. There was shoulder, there was a head, there was another shoulder. So that was an inverse head and shoulder pattern that usually breaks toward the upside. And I gave you the targets about Solana, and that the targets were from this place to, sorry, let me just do it, Control Z. I gave you targets using this method. Let's keep things simple. So the target for Solana, these were the target, and it was exactly the same resistance line that have been acting as a resistance for the past, how many touch points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For almost past 6 touch points. And what can we expect further in Solana is the same thing, that it have to touch that place at least. However, if you watched my previous video and if you took the trade of Solana, you must be in profits right now. You must be enjoying the profits. Let me just calculate them for you. So there was the area you were supposed to take the trade, and there you go. You are in 7% profit with spot, and if you're using 10x leverage, that is 70% profit in one night. That's a hell lot of money. Imagine investing $1,000. You just made $1,700 right away. So that's why I always recommend you to watch the videos till the very end, so you get all those deep insights about these coins. So well, Solana is basically, it's a very strong fundamental coin. You should not even be asking about this coin getting to the lower prices. You should not wait for the support levels as well. You get it to the lower price, you must grab it. You must fill your bag with it. Okay, so we will see the volume as well. Volume seems to be not much going in the volume, just wicks at the same level. I want a bigger volume candle here, just like this one. I want a bigger candle like this one for the volume at the Solana. However, there is something I told you about yesterday as well. I told you that even if this pattern is going to break out, this pattern, the inverse head and shoulders, even this pattern breakouts, you should not be much happy, because there was an immediate 200 moving average resistance line right above the head of this pattern. So you see this thing, when it broke out, it just faced our resistance at this 200 moving average right away, and it is being rejected from there. You can see that it's being rejected from here. So what can we expect as a support level? Exactly this point. This point is acting as a support level. It's a 0.618 of the Fibonacci retracement number, also known as the golden pocket. So this is acting as a support, and it has acted as a resistance at this place. So I hope this gets flipped into a support level, a minor support level. It could be local support as well. So if this thing it gets flipped into support, if this gets flipped into support level, so that would be a good sign. That would be a very good sign. So Solana could continue its rally to this point. Let me just turn it green. This doesn't look good and promising in red. It's shining green. Okay, so if this is flipped into support, that would be our target, the same line. However, I do not recommend any kind of new trade at this place. It's completely your personal choice. If you want to make a trade, you can do it. I advised you something in the last video. You should have watched it carefully, and you should have taken it seriously. So what would be the percentage we'll be looking up to if Solana gets to this place? That's 13%. That's a very good percentage. Very good scalping trade. If you're using leverage that I don't recommend to use, you'll be making up 130% profits within just 2 days. So let's go to the website, or should we leave it here? I don't think I should go to the website, or maybe I think I should record a complete other video about the fundamentals of Solana. Let's keep this video to the technical analysis. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed the channel and you like our content, make sure you subscribe the channel and leave the thumb up. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.